Hi guys, this is Custodio here, and this is a Postman beginner tutorial. And today we're going to talk about the debugging in Postman. So, how can you debug an API using Postman? Well, you can use for this the Postman debugger. And what is the Postman debugger? The Postman debugger is the Postman console log. And how do you view the Postman console log? I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, here we are on the UI of Postman. And to check and to see the console log of Postman, you have two ways of doing this. First way is clicking here on this button, console log, right? So you can click here, right? And you can see here that there is no log yet on this console. This is the first way you can do it. And the second way, you can go here on the menu. You can see here on the view. And when you click, you can go here to show Postman console. You can see here that you have a shortcut for this. Alt, Control, and C, right? But let's click here. And you can see that the Postman console is opened in a new window. You can see here that we don't have any logs yet, right? Okay, we saw here two ways of open a Postman console, right? So let's test. Let's click here to close, right? So let's test. Okay, so let's open a new tab, right? You can type here, let's type postman.com. Okay, let's click here on this button send and check the response. Okay, you can see here that the response was okay. So let's check the console log, what we have here on the console log. Okay, you can see here that our request is okay, and you can see here the request headers, right? All the headers and the response headers. You can check here. Yeah, everything is okay. If you want to have a double check, you can click here and open a new window to have a better view of the response. Yeah, let's expand in this window and you can see all the things, all the headers, all the information here in a better way. Okay, so let's close this window here. So let's test writing some expression on console log. You can click here on this tab test, right? And you can just use the console log. If you are familiar with JavaScript or not, it doesn't matter, right? And let's write here something like Mr. Postman, look and see. Okay, so let's hit send to test, right? So let's check the console log. You can click here on console and let's check. And okay, here, look, Mr. Postman, look and see. It wrote here on our console log. It made a request. Okay, that's okay with the request. And it wrote on our console, Mr. Postman, look and see. You can see here that your tests, all the things that you wrote here on the tests, you can debug using the console log, right? So that's it for today, guys. If you want to receive more content like this, please subscribe to this channel. My name is Custodio. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.